Hi everyone, my name is Desi. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on how to make lip gloss and lip oil. This is a really fun DIY to do whether alone or with friends, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to create these cute lip glosses. You'll need cups for mixing, and you'll also need utensils for stirring and measuring. I have a few here. Additionally, you'll need a syringe, and you'll also need a little bit of oil of your choice. Our carrier oil is almond oil. Now for the fun stuff. You'll also need Get Puckered's Gloss Base. Additionally, you'll need flavors of your choice. We're using Get Suckered's Strawberry Lemonade, Peach, and Matcha. These are all oil-based flavors that you'll need to mix into the gloss base. Finally, you'll need tubes to put your gloss and oil in. Let's get started on making our lip oil first. We're going to be using just the smallest amount of Get Puckered Gloss Base. Using the gloss base in this oil is going to help create a luscious and thick base for the lip oil. We've added to our cup here about 10 milliliters of gloss base. Next, we're going to be adding in our carrier oil to create the softness and flowiness of the lip oil. So, because this is a lip oil, this will be completely off preference how thick or thin you want it. But for us and for now, we've added about 8 milliliters of oil to our 1 milliliter of gloss. Next, we'll be adding in our flavor. Now remember, our flavors are also oil-based, so this will attribute to a little bit of the silkiness and oiliness of the lip oil itself. We're going to be flavoring our lip oil with strawberry lemonade flavor. To our mixture, we added only about 15 drops. You can add less or more if you'd like. Now we're going to be adding in just a small amount of pigment. As you can see, this pigment is very, very bright, so we only need a little bit. Now let's mix. Here I just have a wooden stir stick. So for me, I can tell that this consistency is not going to be really what I'm going for. I'm gonna want it a little bit more runny. So I'm just gonna add a few more drops of the carrier oil. It's about 5 drops that I've added. I'm just gonna slowly incorporate that into the gloss base. Okay, now that everything's pretty much incorporated, I got to the consistency I think I like. I'm going to now test out the color just for one final check. So pretty, and it smells so good. So I think this is good for me. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my gloss tube now to fill. So here I have a couple add-ins that are gonna be really cute to use in the gloss. So because this is strawberry lemonade flavor, I thought that we should add like these glittery ones. Just really cute addition to the gloss, but this is totally optional, and honestly even the color is optional. All you really need is obviously your gloss base and just some flavoring. Okay, now that we've filled our tube with a little bit of those sparkles from earlier, poured some out. We're gonna just fill our tube with the mixture, the lip oil mixture. Beautiful, it smells so good and it looks even better. Now we're just gonna put the little stopper into the tube, push that down, and just go ahead and insert your applicator now, and you're done. Super cute, yummy tasting lip oil. Thanks so much guys for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and we hope to see you guys again soon on the next video.